Hey guys, welcome to Curaçao. So this is just me checking into the room. We had a beachfront suite, so it was right off the beach. And our suite came with a private pool as well. And of course, like, they have a little seating area for you to relax and stuff like that. They give you these cute little bags also, these tote bags that you get to keep, which came in very handy because I used it the whole time I was there. And yeah, like, it held all my stuff and everything. We had a king size bed, and the TV, you can see the TV is like right next to it, so that was nice. Yeah, the room was just very spacious. They gave you the water, they gave you earplugs, lighter, just, I guess, little essential things that you might need while you're there. They also had a speaker that we could use, but it didn't work. Yeah, but I had my own speaker, so that was fine. So yeah, this is the room. They have like a soaking tub, and they give you robes. The shower is like I don't know what you call that shower. I think it's like a waterfall shower or something. And here was the toilet. I like that it's, separate from everything else. And of course, you have your mini bar, which you have to pay for pretty much everything over here. So yeah, wasn't touching that. But yeah, actually, we got really thirsty, so we did kind of dip into the mini bar for like water and soda and stuff. I also like that they had this separate kind of vanity station, because you don't really see that in a lot of hotels. That was so nice because it really gave me like an area to do my makeup and stuff. And yeah, I really love that. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Peace out, baby.